Morning. We are four in the team: Nitin, Dakshinesh, Joseph, and myself, Gayaka. Introduction of Super Dress by Nitin.
Hello everybody, I'm Nitin and I'm going to talk about a new product, Super Dress. Super Dress is a very interesting product. It has an 1 TB camera inside. It has automatic stain remover. It has a weather adjustable pack and an alarm to call police. Let's see some situations about it.
Scene 1 in the interview.
Excuse me sir, may I come in?
Yes, please come in. What is your name?
My name is Nitin sir.
Okay, Nitin. Good morning. Are you ready for the interview?
Yes sir.
Please take the coffee.
Thanks.
Oh, sorry. Do you want to go to the restaurant?
No problem sir. No problem. This is Super Dress. It has automatic stain remover so that there is no problem for stains.
Where did you get it from?
I bought it from Amazon, but it's also available in Flipkart and Snapdeal.
Okay, I will get one today itself.
Super Dress is an amazing product. It has automatic stain remover so that there is no problems for stain and it's not even hard to clean it.
Scene 2 in the train. It is so crowded of passengers and it is very hot.
Sir, how are you so cool?
All because of Super Dress. This has automatic weather adjustable pack which keeps me cool all the time.
What are its other features?
It has 1 TB camera in it. It has weather adjustable pack which keeps me cool. It has alarm to call police also.
Super. I'm also going to buy the Super Dress now.
Super Dress is an amazing thing. It has a automatic weather adjustable pack which keeps us normal in any weather conditions.
Scene 3. The man is standing in the front of coffee shop and the thief is stealing the watch.
Give me your watch or else I will kill you.
Somebody save me! Police!
Oh my God, police!
Super Dress has an alarm in it so that if there is any emergency conditions, it can be used.
Scene 4. The lady is standing in the front of a bus stop and the thief is stealing her bag. Give me back.
Somebody called the police. Police, come fast.
Okay, what happened?
One person stole this lady's bag.
Do you have any proof?
Yes, all is recorded in my Super Dress. Let's see a small replay about it. Pause. He's the thief.
Okay, I will catch it. Madam, here's your bag. I'm going to put him to jail.
Super Dress is an amazing thing. It has a 1 TB camera in it which can record everything which you missed.
Super Dress is a very useful thing. It is available in Sarvana stores, Amazon, Flipkart and Snapdeal.
Its price is only 20,000.
There's a special offer for Talk Factory staffs and students.
Thank you.
Thank you for your super performance, Super Dress team. You don't only have one product to buy, but two. Please welcome our next team, the link-based team.